Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create long videos using AI. So go to AI video generator and select create immediately. And then here you can create a story preview. I'll just try a sample idea here and then select create. It's going to then basically create the storyboard for you. If you're on your phone, I think you can edit the duration of your videos if you want to make it longer. Okay, here's the cast. This is like the storyboard. I think you can edit that, but I'm just going to go with whatever they have here. This is the key shot preview as well. Okay, they haven't given us the storyboard. This is just the cast and key shot preview. There's Whiskers, there's Mama Whiskers. You can edit the characters here, but I'm gonna just leave it. There's Mitten, Fuzzy, Barnaby the what? Squeaky the squirrel? Pipsqueak the... I don't know. But I'll be right back when I have reached level 3 because I'm sure it's going to take so long to do this. And this is the finished result. I'm pretty sure if you're doing this on your phone, you are able to make the video duration a little bit longer than this. But this is what the video looks like. Whiskers first day at Acorn Academy. Okay, that's it. But yeah, you get the gist. You can download it here. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel in this... Nope. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. You can animate this, but I just didn't have enough credits. Okay, I'm so sorry. You can animate it yourself using this site. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.